How to leave Facebook Messenger group chat. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Group chats are conversation you have with more than one person on Messenger, such as friends and family. However, due to some reason, you might want to leave your group chat. If that is the case, in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can do that. Step 1 is to open the Messenger app on your device. It can be Android, iPad, or iPhone. Once you're here, make sure to log into your account. Now, on the chat section, you will be able to find all of your chats. Here, if you want to leave a group, tap on the group first to open it up. Once you have opened the group conversation, tap on the eye icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can find different sections such as customization, chat info, more action, privacy and support. On the last category of privacy and support, you have the option of leave chat, which is in red. Tap on this option. Now, if you are the admin of the group, you will have to choose a new admin first in order to leave the group. Tap on the option of choose admin, and from here you can select any other admin. Then tap on the option of leave group. Once you do that, the other people in the conversation will be notified that you left and you will no longer receive messages from the confirmation. Now, bear in mind that you can only leave from group conversations. You cannot leave a one-to-one conversation. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.